Greetings, fellow sufferers of excruciating back pain. Are you tormented by back pain from a bulging disc in the L4 L5 region? We've got the remedy for you. Our simple yet powerful exercises can soothe your pain and provide relief. In this video, we'll demonstrate the technique and highlight its benefits. So, are you ready to bid farewell to your back troubles and embrace a pain-free life? Let's get cracking. A disc bulge or herniated disc occurs when some of the soft jellies in the center of the disc slip away from the hard exterior. Up to 80% of people will experience episodes of back pain in their lifetime. Back pain currently accounts for 11% of total disability in the UK, and herniated/bulged discs are often the main cause. The prevalence of herniated intervertebral discs is highest among individuals aged 30 to 50 years, with a male to female ratio of 2 to 1. Among people aged 25 to 55, 95% of herniated discs occur in the lower lumbar vertebra, and disc bulges in the middle and upper lumbar vertebrae are more common in people over 55. A herniated disc most often happens in the lumbar region, lower back, but can occur anywhere from the neck to the lower back. These exercises can help you a lot with this issue. Number 1. Lying figure 4 stretch. In the early stages of a herniated disc, your body's natural response is to strengthen and protect the spine and hip area. For this reason, one of the easiest things you can do yourself to soothe radiating back pain caused by a herniated disc is to stretch the piriformis muscle. How do you do that? Start lying on your back with your knees bent and your feet on the floor. Place the right ankle on the left knee. With your hands or bands, pull your left thigh toward your chest and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat with the other leg. 3 repetitions for each side. Number 2. Half Cobra pose. Half Cobra pose creates an extension of the spine that helps push the core, jelly, back to the center and reduces bulging discs. How do you do that? Begin this exercise in a supine, lying down, position, slowly resting on your elbows until your hips touch the floor. Hold the supported position for 10 to 15 seconds, then return to the supine, lying, position. Gradually increase to hold the final position for 30 seconds. Aim for 10 reps. You may not tolerate this position well at first, so be sure to start slowly and carefully. Number 3. Full Cobra pose. Full Cobra pose creates more spinal extension than half Cobra pose, helps push the core, jelly, back to the center, and reduces bulging discs. How do you do that? Begin lying on the floor with your hands on the floor at shoulder height. Slowly lift your shoulders off the floor with your hands until you feel a slight stretch. Exhale as you push your lower back further to increase your range of motion. Aim for 5 reps. Number 4. Abs drawing maneuver. A solid foundation helps provide stability, preventing repetitive strain injuries and further damage. This will help reset the spine to a neutral position. How do you do that? Lie on your back. Bend the knees. Contracts the abdominal muscles, stomach. Hold for 5 seconds. Release. 3 sets of 20 reps each day. Just a second, hit that subscribe button, and become part of the fam. You won't want to miss out on all the dope content we're dropping. Number 5. Plank. This exercise is great for strengthening the deep core and glutes. How do you do that? Start lying on your stomach with your forearms resting on the mat. Tighten your core and lift your body up so that you are resting on your forearms and toes. Make sure your spine is in a neutral back position, not hanging at the waist or lifting your hips into the air. Keep the plank position for 30 seconds, then lower to the ground. Aim for 2 to 5 reps. Make sure your back is straight throughout the exercise. Number 6. Knee hugs. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your heels on the floor. Place your hands behind one knee and pull to your chest. Switch legs and repeat 5 times on each leg. Number 7. Bird dog. Start on your hands and knees, and place your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Raise and stretch your left arm forward until it is in line with your torso. At the same time, kick your right leg back until it's in line with your torso. Hold this position for 2 to 3 seconds and then slowly return to the starting position. Repeat with the right arm and left leg. Alternate 10 reps of 2 to 3 sets. You should have a neutral alignment of the head, neck, and back to reduce neck strain. Number 8. Cat-cow stretch. Start stretching from your hands and knees. Inhale and let your belly sink to the floor as you look up at the ceiling. Watch your feet as you exhale and slowly circle your spine while pressing your hands to the floor and bending your neck slightly. Aim for 10 reps of 2 to 3 sets. How is a bulging disc different from a herniated disc? And which is worse? Now that we know what a bulging disc is, let's talk about a herniated disc. In simple terms, a herniated disc is when fluid material from the intervertebral disc, aka nucleus pulposus, leaks through the outer layer of the disc, aka annulus fibrosus, and now spills onto the back, which can cause direct pressure on spinal nerves and spinal cord structures. As you can see, a herniated disc can be much worse. However, many people with a herniated or bulging disc have no symptoms or pain, so it's important to get the right diagnosis for your particular situation. A herniated disc can often go away over time if managed properly, while a herniated disc only leaves scars from the annulus, outer layer of the disc. What causes a herniated disc? Prolonged sitting, especially with poor posture, can put more pressure on the discs. As we age, the hydration of the intervertebral discs decreases, normal wear and tear. Repeat bends, lifts, and twists, especially if you have bad form. Lifting heavy loads with poor posture causes pressure on the front of the spine, causing the discs to bulge backward. It can also be caused by osteoarthritis or age-related degeneration. Trauma, such as a car accident. And there you have it, folks. We hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to manage your back pain caused by a bulging disc in the L4 L5 region. Remember, consistency is key with any exercise program, so be sure to incorporate this exercise into your daily routine. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.